In the meantime, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton responded to the situation at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in a recording sent to our news centre earlier this evening.
When I became Minister of Health, we had a serious issue as it relates to elevators in our key hospitals with multiple floors. And one of the first things I did, having inherited that legacy, is to assess the needs and to commission the NHF to finance the replacement of those elevators that were down. To date, we have committed some 80 million Jamaican dollars for 6 elevators in 4 institutions, 4 hospitals, including Victoria Jubilee Hospital, KPH, National Chest Hospital, Spanish Town Hospital. As we speak, that work is a work in progress. In terms of Victoria Jubilee Hospital, the workmen are there now installing the new elevators. Now the problem is, of course, that Victoria Jubilee has 3 elevators, 1 for staff, 2 for patients. The one that is down where the new one is being installed therefore creates an over-dependence on the old system, and periodically it goes down, and that's something that is difficult to solve. And so when it goes down, they have to repair. In the repair process, then we have to improvise. But ultimately, come first week of January, we should have a new elevator installed. I just want to say that, it is unfortunately a product of the system. The system is broken. I apologize for the inconvenience of those who have to deal with the broken system. But more importantly, we are doing something to address the problem and to fix it once and for all.
On the situation of water being out at KPH, he said it was a temporary outage, but that has been solved.